I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us, so it can be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know it different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Always.
Hello pare, good evening. Happy birthday. And I'm so happy na very strong ang friendship natin. Nasa 7 years na to be exact. At natutuwa ako that you are very contented in your life now. You are retired. You have your walking with the Lord. And you have walking as well with your health every day from your house to SNR. And I wish you all the best in life. At marami ka pang ma-encourage to join our victory group. And praying for more breakthroughs and praying for more blessings in your life, in your family, and to your children. At very fulfilled na ang life mo. At maraming salamat sa friendship na nabuo. Ito be exact 7 years na nga. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil nakilala namin kayo ni IB, you and Sis Medi. At meron pang isang mag-greet sa'yo. Tawagin ko siya sandali.
Pare, meron kami, may hangover kami pare. Kailangan namin ng red wine ulit. Pare, I'd like to greet you. Happy birthday ulit. And may God give you the desires of your heart. God bless you, pare.
Ito, isa pa. IB.
Birthday, Brother Dan! Next year ulit, sabay tayo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dan. May you be blessed with many years of good health, happiness, and love. Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Dan. Declaring this next year be filled with adventure, new experiences, God's blessings. Happy birthday, happy celebration to you there in Philippines.
Happy birthday, Kuya
Dan! Romans chapter 15 verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit.
Once again, happy 60th birthday, Kuya Dan! May you have good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day! Bye!
Your party, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Tito Dan!
Hope you have an amazing time.
Hi Kuya Dan, happy 60th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. We're great and blessed to have you as Kuya.
Happy 68th birthday, Kuya Dan. God bless you.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Sir Dan! Wishing you joy, health, and happiness on this special day.
Happy birthday, Sir Dan! Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Pasyal ka!
Hi, Sir Dan. Happy 60th birthday po. Good ka, sir, no? It's been a while po, Sir Dan, since you retired at work at Nagupan Electric. And I'll be honest na I miss na po yung mga times na magkasama tayo during our duty while on shift. And dahil kapag kayo po yung kasama ko at work is napakagaan po ng trabaho. So, nakakamiss po yung ating sharings, mga kwentuhan. Hindi lang po kayo naging good co-worker to me, but you've been a good friend and like a father to me, sir. And alam ko, masayang-masaya ka ngayon, Sir Dan, kasi you have more time with your family. And yung plano mo noon na after your retirement is nilibuti mo yung buong mundo kasama your family. And I wish na matupad mo lahat yun, Sir Dan. And for your birthday, what I wish for you, Sir Dan, is pagpanain ka pa ni Lord dahil alam ko napakabuti mong tao, sir. Good health and more birthdays to come po, sir. Alam mo na nandito lang ako and I'll see you around, sir. Always remember, sir, that you're one of my favorite persons in this world. Again, Sir Dan, coming from me and from my wife, happy 60th birthday po, Nino.
Pare, happy birthday! Oh, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, may surprise sa'yo mga anak mo. Anyway, happy birthday and I wish you all the best and enjoy your birthday with your family and your friends. Oh, itong araw na to ay itong pinaka-special mong kaarawan. Alam mo naman sa grupo natin, ikaw ang pinakabata. Magpabata ka pa Eh ngayon ang tingin ko lang sa'yo para ka lang 40. Kami, lahat kami 60 na. Ikaw 40 ka pa lang. Baka naman nagkamali ka lang siguro ng taon, baka hindi ka pa nga 60. Anyway, magkita na lang tayo pag uwi ko. See you very, very soon. And enjoy your special day today, okay?
Hello Dan, happy birthday. Welcome to Senior Citizens Club. Well, after so many hard work and sacrifices, this is it. It's time to enjoy life and serve to the Lord with your loving wife. Again, happy birthday, and don't forget ang kasabihan natin na huwag magpautang para di masira ang pagkakaibigan.
Hello, Paring Dan. Happy birthday. Wish ko mahabang buhay. Bigyan ka pa sana ni Lord ng marami pang birthdays para sa buhay mo. And sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong panganakan. God bless and wish you good birthday to come in your life. Happy birthday!
Hi Dan, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, more to celebrate. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.
Hi Dan! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo, sana umaba pa ang buhay mo dahil mabait ka. Alam ko, laging nasa iyo si Lord. Tsaka, marami pang kaarawang darating sa'yo. God bless you at ingat ka palagi, pati ng pamilya mo. Basta, happy birthday. Kita-kits na lang tayo pagdating ni Marco.
Dan, kapusan din si kayo. Wala yung dawa mo. Makanti na ako. Happy birthday to you. Sensya ka na, nakamask ako kasi wala pa akong pustiso. Wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy lang bro. Huwag kalimutang magdasal sa Panginoon natin. Eat well. Take care. God bless. Love you bro.
Good day. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your special day today. Wishing you always in good health and long life forever. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi Danilo, this is your classmate Robina. Greeting you a happy blessed 60th birthday. Wow, it's amazing that you reached the 60th year of your life, and it's really a great blessing, and I hope you enjoy this year. And my birthday wish for you just simple. Stay healthy, good health, apart from sickness and anything bad happen to you, and just enjoy life to the fullest. Enjoy every minute of it, and avoid stress, and have a great adventure and happy memories to cherish. Yun lang, sayang hindi tayo nakita in our mini reunion, but I know that you have something na iniinda, but I hope everything is well now, and I wish you get better and better every day, and till you get strong. And I wish we could see. I still have 2 weeks here in the Philippines, but anyway, if not, it will not happen. Hopefully to see you next year, and I wish everybody still well, and yun lang, enjoy life, enjoy your being 60, your 60th. Enjoy your being a senior. You have a privilege now. You are the senior card holder now. Enjoy it, and yun lang, be happy and keep in touch, and hope to see you. Miss you. Okay, bye. Enjoy.
Hi Tito Dan, happy 60th birthday from the Marcelina family. We love you. We wish you all the best.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Nilo. Long life sa'yo. More blessing and favors from the Lord, and stay healthy. Ganun din ako, Nilo. long life, more blessing, good health. God bless you.
Enjoy ka lang, Nilo, yung 60th birthday mo. Enjoy mo lang. Pero wag naman, okay lang kumain ka, pero wag naman sobra.
Ingat ka lang sa pagkain nilo, para humaba ang buhay.
Charito, birthday, Kuya Dan!
Roy, happy birthday! Sana maraming birthday pa dumating sa buhay mo. Salamat sa mga blessings, sa mga sinasabing tulong.
Hello! Sa mapagpalang araw sa inyo lahat dyan, at lalo na sa iyo, Dan, na sumapit na yung pinakaantay natin yung 60th birthday. Welcome sa mundo ng mga senior citizen.
Yes.
At sana patuloy kang pagpalain ng Diyos, bigyan ng kalakasan, at patuloy na ang buong pamilya mo ay patuloy na lumago at patuloy maglingkod sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong at mga pagpapala na pinalalasap mo sa amin dahil ikaw ay medyo nakakaangat.
Wow.
Salamat! God bless! Happy birthday!
Dan, it's your birthday and always remember yung sinasabi sa Bible na trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean at your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him. Alam ko naman na lagi yung pinaka-Bible verse mo rin. And all of us na mga Kristiyano, yun ang pinangahawakan. Stay safe and good health. Happy birthday!
Tito Dan, happy birthday mo na po. Blessing po, yon kasi dinagdagan ng Diyos na ng 1 taon ulit ang iyong edad. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless you. God
Happy birthday.